Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's vlog. In today's episode, we're going to do two things. First up, we are going to check out this brand new smartphone from Xiaomi Poco. This is the Poco X3 NFC, arguably one of the very best smartphones that you can get for around 10,000 pesos. Sobrang panalo tong teleponong to. I really can't say too much about it except that it is awesomeness. O, di ba talagang awesomeness? But anyways, that's the first thing. The second thing we're going to check out is this amazing mystery box that I bought from Luxury Unlimited. So they are a Supreme / sneaker reseller, and I wanted to beef up my Supreme collection over at one of the shelves. So I reached out to them and I bought their brand new 5,000 peso Supreme mystery box. So we're going to check out everything inside this. Calculate the total value, and hopefully it's much more higher than the 5,000 that I paid for. Excited? I am. Let's go. Let's get right into it. This is the Poco X3 NFC, sells for around 10,000 pesos. You can actually get it from Lazada starting tonight at midnight. So I am publishing this on a Monday. So 1 minute after 11:59 p.m., you can actually buy this already on Lazada. Believe me when I say that stocks for this will fly out. It will most definitely sell out in a few minutes. So if you are looking to buy a smartphone within this price range, make sure that you're awake tonight at around 11:59 p.m. So if you pop the box open, black and yellow motif, you have this Poco packet over here with the usual manuals and a case that goes with your phone, and then we get to the actual device. Now, what are the special things about the Poco X3 NFC? Now, this phone has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 73232G processor. And what that basically means is that it is a kick-ass 2.3 GHz octa-core CPU that's built for mobile gaming. So within this price range, you really can't get anything much better than this. It is 100% capable of playing most of the games that you guys play today. It also has, if I'm not mistaken, a 5,100 plus milliampere battery, so it can go the distance. So if you want to play a variety of games for an extended period of time, or if you're a Facebook, Instagram addict, or TikTok addict, this should get it done. It also has this amazing 64 megapixel AI quad camera at the back, and it also has a 20 megapixel in-display front-facing camera. And lastly, this 6.67 Full HD Plus display can do 120 Hz. So it is buttery smooth. And again, I am mind blown with the value that you're going to get with the price point. I mean, for just 10,000, boom! So let me just remind you guys, this one is dropping tonight. 1 minute after 11:59 p.m. over at Lazada. If you are going to buy one, make sure that you add to cart already. I'll link it down below. And then come 11:59 or 12 o'clock midnight, you check out. Now, before we get to the Luxury Unlimited mystery box, let me just plug the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold and Black. For those who don't know who Rose Gold and Black is, they are a premium men's accessories brand based out of Australia. They come out with amazing bracelets, leather and beaded necklaces like this one, which has a grenade, goes well with the boom thing that we have going on the channel. And they even came out with mystery boxes. So if you subscribe to their mystery box monthly, you get 2 items that's exclusive to the box. It doesn't appear on the site. So if you want to level up your style, you might want to check them out, especially since I was able to hook you guys up with 25% discount for the September sale. And if you use the code MYSTERY, you get an additional discount. The details and the link down below. Okay, now the fun part, we have the Luxury Unlimited mystery box, 5,000 pesos. So let's start taking out the items one by one. So the first item, which is the biggest one, and wow, parang dito palang bawi na. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Snap Pocket Supreme Olive Cap. And this one, let me just make sure. Yeah, dito palang bawi na, because this one is $120 on StockX. So this is easily 6,000 pesos after market value. So just with this cap alone, bawi na yung 5,000. Boom! Okay, let's keep digging in the I've always wanted one of these for display purposes. This is the Supreme transparent lock. I mean, it looks really dope. I mean, take a look at that. Really nice lock. And if I check it out over at StockX, this one is selling for $35 US. So that's roughly 1,500 pesos. So we're now at 7,000 something, 7,500 in terms of value for a box that we paid 5,000 pesos for. Next up, we have, ooh, I don't smoke, but it looks nice. So this is the hard edge lighter, Chubota Pearl hard edge lighter with Supreme. And if I take a look at the cost of this one, wow. This one, $70 US. That's like 3,500 pesos. We're already at 10,000 pesos plus with just 3 items. What? Panalo, di ba? Okay itong mystery box na to. Next up, we have the Supreme Nightcore Teeny Mini Metallic Keychain Light. And this one, if we take a look at StockX, this one is going for $55. So that's roughly 2,000 pesos. Wow. So we're now at what? We're now at 2.5, I think 2.5. We're now at more than 10,000 if I'm correct. Wow. And hey, we're not yet done. We even have this. This is the Supreme Post-it flags in red. So this one I know sells for around 500 to 1,000 pesos. So we're approximately at around 11,000 in value, and we still have a couple of merchandise from Luxury Unlimited. So we have their shirt, and we also have their Keep Off Social Distancing is a must face mask. So everything, if you add everything up, I think we're easily over 12,000 pesos, and we paid 5,000 pesos for it. So if you are a Supreme collector, or if you want to start like a Supreme collection, you might want to hit them up. Obviously, you're going to get random stuff that most likely you don't need a lot of them. But if you are a collector and you want to build up your collection, you get a lot of value by getting their mystery boxes. So Luxury Unlimited, link it down below. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we still have an ongoing giveaway. We actually have 2. I'm giving away Airism Uniqlo face masks. If you guys didn't see my review of the Uniqlo Airism face mask, I'll link it down below. But we are also giving away a brand new Samsung TV. The Samsung TV draw will be on Wednesday. I'm publishing this on a Monday. So you guys have 2 more days before I draw the winner. So make sure that you watch the video link below so you can be part of the draw. Good luck. Okay fam, that wraps up our video for today. I hope you guys enjoy. It's a Monday, so I hope that you all have an amazing week up ahead. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you're all positive with life, negative with COVID. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.